Welcome to Puppy Love and Friends. If you're new to the channel, you're going to want to head on over and hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell as well so you'll never miss another video. Humans are the smartest beings on the planet, sure, but there's no denying that when it comes to strength, we are no match for the animal kingdom. From insects that can lift weights 10 times their own, to wild cats that can rip anyone apart in seconds, animals seem to have a reputation for being incredibly strong. So, which animals happen to have the most strength in them? Keep watching this video to find out. In this video, we're giving you a roundup of the 10 strongest animals in the world. Let's begin. Number 10. The eagle. Don't let yourself be fooled by the eagle's appearance. As harmless as these birds might look, they are among some of the most dangerous animals in the world, not to mention the strongest. In fact, eagles are commonly considered a symbol of power because of the strength that they possess. Their strong legs and sharp talons help them prey on animals that are up to 4 times their size without any difficulty. With their excellent vision and incredible speed, an eagle's diet includes animals like foxes, deer, and other wildcats, making them a threat to most of the animal kingdom, regardless of their small size. Number 9. Rhinoceros. Commonly abbreviated to rhinos, these herbivorous animals are stronger than they look, and they look pretty strong. Rhinos are amongst one of the 5 known and almost extinct species of odd-toed ungulates. When it comes to strength, the rhino has capacities we can't even begin to imagine. Even though they don't need to prey on animals for food, rhinos can easily kill anyone that poses a threat to them. These animals are extremely energetic and rely on their strong feet to catch their prey. Despite the fact that rhinos weigh over 8,000 pounds, they can still run at 40 miles per hour. This incredible speed makes it extremely easy for rhinos to crush even the strongest of animals within seconds. Number 8. Titanoboa. The Titanoboa belong to an extremely strong species of snakes that are now close to extinct. Found most commonly in the jungles of the Caribbean, these snakes were as long as 40 meters with impeccable strength. Researchers found that the Titanoboa snakes were able to eat every single animal that caught their eye, no matter how big or strong. Their thick skin gave them all the immunity they needed in order to become the predators of the swamp. Studies show that these snakes could eat an entire pack of raptors without blinking an eye. With their weight of 2,500 pounds, these snakes were adaptable to land and sea, which is why they thrived as predators in the age of the dinosaurs. Even though the Titanoboa is now extinct, there's no question that the world has never seen reptiles as strong as this one. Number 7. Grizzly Bears. Grizzly bears are North American brown bears and have a reputation of one of nature's most dangerous predators. While grizzlies may look adorable and welcoming, they are anything but that. With a height of almost 8 feet, these bears weigh over 800 pounds and have a bite that can crush anyone within seconds. Grizzlies are amongst the most dangerous bears in the world. Their backs are made up of entirely muscle, which helps them pick up their prey pretty easily. Even with their weight, grizzly bears can easily climb trees, allowing them greater chances at catching animals, whether it's to eat them or attack them for coming near their cubs. Their diet ranges from munching on moths to eating black bears, almost the same size as them, making them the most powerful bears within the species. Grizzly bears can be up to more than 5 times larger than humans, giving us all more reason to steer clear of them. Number 6. Box jellyfish. While it's difficult to think that critters like jellyfish could be even as harmful as most other animals, the reality is quite unsettling. The box jellyfish are nearly invisible invertebrates that are around in the Indo-Pacific Oceans. Moving at speeds up to 5 miles per hour, their floating abilities aren't all that make these jellyfish the threat that they are to animals and humans. They can contain up to 15 tentacles, the ends of which are lined with thousands of stinging cells that produce the most dangerous kind of venom. One sting from a box jellyfish can attack your heart, nervous system, and skin cells at the same time, killing even the strongest of humans in an instant. While antidotes to this life-threatening venom have been developed, most humans aren't lucky enough to survive the sting of a box jellyfish. Even if they do, the pain lasts for weeks, leaving you with scars on your body for the rest of your life. Number 5. Dart frogs. Frogs are the last creatures that one would think is a threat, right? Well, think again, because dart frogs, found specifically in rainforests along the Pacific coast in Colombia, are one of the deadliest creatures in the world, despite their small size of just 2 inches. These frogs produce what is called the golden poison. This is a venom that could be as fatal as soon as it enters the human body and other animals. This poison is so potent that one frog has the ability to kill 2 grown men with only 2 micrograms, which is roughly the amount of venom that could be contained in the head of a needle. Imagine that! Not just that, but the fact that these poison glands are present directly on the dart frog's skin makes it easier for them to leave anyone in a state of pain with a simple touch. Number 4. Saltwater Crocodile. While all crocodiles are extremely terrifying, the saltwater species have no match when it comes to being deadly. These crocodiles are amongst one of the strongest and most aggressive reptiles the world has ever seen. These sinister creatures weigh up to a ton and can grow up to 23 feet in length. With the number of people they kill each year, saltwater crocodiles are single-handedly responsible for the most number of fatalities every year, beating even sharks. With their incredible speed, these crocodiles can hunt down the largest of animals and render them useless with a single bite. Number 3. The Komodo Dragon. The Komodo Dragon is one of the biggest lizards in the world at the moment. Found in the Indonesian islands of Komodo, these reptiles are known for their powerful bite. Their strong jaws and teeth give Komodo dragons the ability to kill their prey without much effort at all. And if you thought strength is all that these lizards possess, you'll be surprised when we tell you that the Komodo dragon's mind also works in mysterious ways. They are known to analyze their potential prey for days before finally making their move. Their ability to monitor their targets days in advance is what allows these lizards to be capable of killing animals like lions, grizzly bears, and even crocodiles. Number 2. African bush elephant. While elephants have a reputation of being some of the friendliest animals in the world, the African bush elephants are an entirely different story. Classified as the largest living terrestrial mammals, these elephants kill nearly 500 people every year. They can lift weights up to 9,000 pounds, which is why they are such a threat to humans and other animals of the jungle. Containing up to 40,000 muscles, their trunks alone can rip trees straight out of the ground. With their size and strength, these mammals have no natural predator to threaten their survival, leaving them free to take control of the jungle. Number 1. The Dung Beetle. Number 1 on the list are the dung beetles. Don't be fooled by their size. The dung beetle is perhaps the strongest insect on the planet, beating even the deadliest animals. Ranging between 1mm to 4cm, these unbelievable creatures can lift weights up to 1,141 times their own. This incredible amount of strength is what allows them to find potential mates and scare off potential rivals. The horned beetle shows us that the size of an animal isn't all that matters. What matters is how efficiently an animal uses its muscles while powerlifting. While the dung beetle might not be as deadly as other animals, there's no doubt about the fact that they can lift greater weights than even the strongest of beasts. With their muscular strength, these small but powerful insects have set an unbeatable record for themselves. And that's a wrap for top 10 strongest animals and creatures in the world. Which one of these animals terrify you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for videos like this. See you in the next one.